Our previous video showed how to search and set up a personal account. This video will go into more detail about what to do with our results and additional features such as citation paths. We begin with a simple search using the keyword glaucoma. In our results, we will find books, ebooks, articles, and many other resource types. We can also see that some items have multiple versions. Now we can see the two different editions of the ebook, one from 2015 and the other from 2009. Going back to the results page, we have several useful tools that we can use to help organize and share our research. Click on the link icon to get a permalink to share with colleagues. This link will remain stable. Click on the Copy Permalink to Clipboard, then paste it into a document, email, or post. Click on the X to return to the results screen. Click on the quotation mark icon to get the citation for the resource, such as an article. We can select from several citation styles, such as AMA, APA, Chicago, or Vancouver. Click on the Copy Citation to Clipboard, then paste into your bibliography or reference list. Click X to return to the results screen. To find more tools for collecting our research, click on the three dots. Here we find options to email, print, add to RefWorks, EndNote, and export RRS file, which allows the citation to be used in a variety of bibliographic management software, such as Mendeley or Zotero. We can also select multiple resources to email, print, or export to bibliographic management software. Put a check mark beside each resource you want to include. Then, click the three dots on the toolbar that appears and select the option that you want to manage your citation. Within the results, we can also find options to expand our research. We can see that some articles have upwards and/or downwards arrow icons. Click the up arrows to find sources that cite this article. Here we see direct links to other articles that have used this work in their reference list. Click on the down arrows to find sources cited in this article. From the citation path, we can click on View Online to continue on a citation string. Or return to the search results by clicking the back arrow search icon. These citation trails provide direct links to articles that are part of WCM-Q Libraries collection. There may be additional citations found in the references and bibliographies.